Hey, okay. So just came from a junkyard. Got some mirror, some power mirror. So we're gonna convert the from the manual to some power window. So here we go. So you can see some manual right here. You adjust the mirror. Flip out the switch right here. That one over there. Okay. So let's pry this piece out. Check it out. Top. Something. Here we go. Right. This is the switch. So we're gonna put the switch inside this piece. Alright. I'm gonna put the switch inside this piece with this part at the top at 12 o'clock. Put it inside. Put it inside, okay? So switch, go inside. Now some of the car it's been pre-wired where you just plug the wire will be sitting here and you just plug it inside of this, but my car didn't came pre-wired, so I'm gonna run the wire all from scratch. All right, now these are the mirror that I bought these mirror from eBay, $60. Okay, so I'm gonna put these mirror on. These are the connector. These connector go inside the door, run through the door, come down through the harness right here, comes inside to the switch, to the power down, run across as well. I'm going to show you how to connect all of that in just a minute. Alright, so I'll see you again soon. Well, people, so now we're back with the episode building my 1997 Toyota Corolla. Just got some wheels. I'll give you some spec later on that. Just put them today, 4 of them. Well, it's not about the wheel we're going to talk about today. As I said, we're going to build this car together. So I went to the junkyard the other day. I got some power mirror, which is these. These mirrors are electric mirrors, right? So I got 2 of them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to wire them. Cool. So it's a bit confusing. It's look a bit intimidating, but don't get intimidated. All right. So I bolt on the mirror. Just put it there temporary. One on this side, but I put this one right here just to figure out the wire. Now the switch, you gotta get the switch from the same model car, right? The same shape, the 7 Gen Toyota Corolla from 1997, from 1992 to 1997. All right, but this switch mostly comes in the DX base, in the DX model. Cool. Now when you pull the switch out, you get this wire right here, right? So you're gonna trace it. It's gonna go all the way down to the panel right here. You're gonna cut it out, right? So there are 7 wires. So when you're scrapping the car, you pull the switch out and you cut it off right here where you have space to work. Okay. So this is the switch. It just plugged in. Let me show you. All right. I'm videoing, so sorry about the bad quality, right? So the switch just comes out like this. You cut it. There's see, it comes in like this, right? You take it from the scrap car. In your car, you maybe have a blank panel right here that can just pull out. So you get it from the blank car, from the scrap car. You plug it back in after you cut it, right? Cut it. You put it back inside. Okay. Now these 7 wire right here, they're all the same color. So when you're gonna scrap your car, it's gonna be the same color. Alright, so blue, green, red with green stripe, brown, gray, and white with black. Alright, now I just connect them, so I'm going to explain to you now what is what. Okay, now these are the wire that came from the mirror. I'm just going to do one side for now. Alright, so these are the wire color. So straight down, when it reach to the connector right here, the color change, but you can still trace it. Alright, now this connector is going to be under the foot right here. You just break it out. It's going to be under this panel right here. Let me show you. It's going to be under this panel right here. You will see it's the only one that like this. So you're going to break it out, and it comes up from the foot. Well, this goes through the door. It goes through right here, right? It comes in and it turns into this, and then this comes up straight to the switch right here. All right, so you cut this wire from there and you cut this one from here. If you're not if you're lost, you just send me a comment, and I will help you along the way. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to connect now. Okay, now on the switch it has the same color code that's on this one. Okay, the green, the blue, and the brown with red. So you connect it straight like the way you see the left side. So blue to blue on this, blue here to blue on the switch. This is from the mirror, right? Blue to blue on the switch, green to green on the switch, and brown with red stripe to red on the switch, on the switch. Now bear in mind, this came with 7 wires, so 3 from this side and 3 from the right side, so 6. So I got a call and I get cut off. So I'm gonna explain this a little bit simpler. I'm gonna install the mirror in fully working condition. I've ordered some wire from Amazon. So as soon as I got those wire, I'm gonna string it in the car professionally. All right. And bear in mind, I'm not a professional technician. I'm just doing this as a little regular guy like you from home. Okay. So on both sides of the mirror, right? Left side, right side. Now we are on the left side of which is the driver's side. The wires from the connector here is green, blue, and yellow, right? From the connector up to the mirror, they are the same color on both sides. See? This is the right side. This is the left side. So they are the same color on both sides. So I suggest whenever you get in the setup, you get it from the connector downward. So basically you can cut it anywhere from here down. Alright? Because these color are the same color you're gonna match back to the switch over here. If you cut it here, you're gonna get mixed up. Right? If you cut it here and just come with these 3 color, it doesn't match over here. Okay? So you gotta cut it below the switch, below the connector right here. Now I didn't cut mine at the connector right here. I trailed it, and it went through here and come to inside right here. Let's see if I can get some light. Here we go. Right. So I remove this panel. I don't have the time to do it right now. So I remove this panel, and this was inside, right there. So I disconnect right here. Let me show you. Hold on a second. Okay, so I disconnect right there. So this is what I came with. See? So this was through this, right? So I disconnect right here when I'm pulling it up. I break this from the inside of the panel right here that I showed you just now, and I pull it all the way through and end up with this. So again, you're gonna want to keep these wire, because these wire is gonna make you string it easier, because it's the same color code that's on the switch. Alright, so that's for the left side. Alright, now on the switch comes with 7 wires. All right. So two red, these two red. See if I can get focused. These two red is for the right side, and the blue and the green is for the left side, which is the passenger side, and the brown is gonna share, right? The brown is gonna share for both sides. Cool. So the brown will connect to the brown on here. Remember, on this side, this is what you have working with, right? You got green, blue, and brown. So you connect the brown to the brown right here, the green to the green right here, the blue to the blue right here. So you got three wire right here, right? Then you're gonna run the wires from the right side of the car to here. So you're gonna connect the red to the red, and the two red to the red with the green, and the red with the with just the white stripe. All right, you're gonna connect them both here, and also the third wire, which is going to be a brown wire, you're gonna connect the same brown wire over here. All right, so it's like they both the mirror, they are shaking hands basically. They are sharing feet from the brown wire right here, and then these two wire remained now, right? The one with the black stripe, this one is going to be the ground, this one going to be the power. So you can get these current from the radio or wherever you want to get the current, but get it from a fuse source where any shortage happen, it can chip it can chip the fuse out. Okay, so I got mine from the cigarette lighter, which is right here. All right, I'm going to put it back in now in a minute. Okay. So any question you guys just ask me in the comment, and please like and share the video. All right, and this is the upgrade. This is the mirror upgrade.